Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Lloyds Bank account to Monzo account. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started with the straightforward guide, so the first thing to do is to log into your Lloyds mobile bank app. Then from there, you have to navigate to the payment section from your account dashboard. Then after that, you have to choose who to pay, then tap on pay someone new. Then after that, choose a pay someone or company. Then enter your Monzo account details, which includes your account name and a sort code, then your account number. Then after that, you have to input the amount you wish to transfer and add a reference if desired. Then from there, you have to review the details and confirm the payment, and also you can also authenticate the transaction using your phone password, your fingerprint, or your face ID, and that's how you can simply send money or transfer money from Lloyds Bank to Monzo account. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more.